have been missing, I know, but as I had explained to you guys before, the weather has been horrible, so I just haven't been vlogging much because I haven't been doing road that much. But today I'm excited because we're actually on our way to Port Royal, and we're going to be doing, me and my friend, we're going to be doing do you want to say hi to my channel?
Hi.
Oh, he's saying hi. Everybody meet Ramon. He'll be on the this vlog because he'll be coming with me to do a jet ski experience courtesy of Gustazos. Why you do that? No, the sun gone. I'm on a good light. I feel like why don't the window? Like, okay, guys. But yeah, so the trip is courtesy of Gustazos. Shout out to Gustazos for that. But we'll be doing a jet ski experience, and it will be with this company called Marine Blu. I'm gonna take you guys along with me so you guys get to experience or see what the experience would be like, and you guys can always reach out to them if you are interested in doing it as well. Unfortunately, by the time this video comes out, the activity will no longer be available on Gustazos. However, you can go to Gustazos for like other experiences or like hotel staycation kind of, you know, deals, and you can also reach out to the place Marine Blu Tours. So I'm excited.
Very excited.
You're very excited. I'm excited about it. I'm low-key scared because I'm kind of afraid of the ocean. So I just think being like on a jet ski, like out in the ocean, like by myself, I'm gonna have like that moment where I'm like, you know, like the water is like 20 feet, 80 feet deep right now, and I'm just like floating on top of it. And I feel like there's going to be like a whale that just come up and hit me. Yeah, you saw that video of the lady?
Yeah.
Yes, I'm just like, that's what's in my head.
That video, he wasn't trying to get her though. There was a
I know, but at the same time, I'm just like, a whale could just come and swallow me because he thinks I'm fish. But anyways, guys, so when I get there, I will show you guys. Okay, guys. So I don't know where I am. I'm at one of the ports. One of the ports out in Port Royal. I don't remember the name of this one, but it's a private dock. So we're gonna I think we're gonna just like do the tour out on the water. So I think what they do is kind of like just bring you out on the water on the jet ski, and you tour the different locations. So yeah, we gonna see. So you can tell us basically, I don't know whatever you're supposed to tell me.
Yeah, so it depends on where you want to go. A lot of fun today, a lot of fun. Yeah.
So I thought probably over by the mangroves would be nice.
Yeah, we're going to the whole place. Don't worry, I got you.
You got me?
Yeah, I got you.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh, it's a pelican. Never mind. I thought it was like a dolphin or something, but it's not. But I'm not going to bring my whole tripod and thing. I'm going to shoot some B-roll, which means it's just footage without audio, just because we don't want the phone for dropping at the water.
No, dropping.
Me no business, I'm afraid.
I promise you, we'll drop it.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna get one of those. So we're gonna get a waterproof case.
Alright, so let me go ahead and get this ready for you.
The fact that they have waterproof cases on the boat, you know, prepared.
I got you. We're prepared. Listen, if it was me, I would have to take out, you know, shots of all those memories out there.
So great day.
Yeah. So in the mangrove is pretty cool, and then on top of it you get the sunset.
Yes, that's what
exactly. Totally scenic. So whenever you're ready, you got this.
So to be continued.
Do I just climb down?
Yeah, sit down.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
alright, kinda. Take time with me. Do I hold on? Okay. Ah! Just that?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Yeah, I'm fine.
At one point, you're gonna have to take off your put down your foot.
Yeah.
Or you're going to the mangrove.
Yeah. Alright, so I put it down now, and then when we go through the mangroves, I shoot again. Alright.
Yeah, let's start.
So, yeah, alright. Okay, hold on.
That crocodile. Nice,
Oh, I'm actually not afraid of them, you know. It's very dark.
I wouldn't mind book up on one.
Eh? That would actually be pretty cool, as long as you not try to eat with.
Try nothing funny, you know?
Huh?
As long as you're not trying nothing funny, you know?
Right? This is so cool.
Duck, yeah?
Huh?
Duck.
Oh.
Hold on.
So, Ramon is gonna do go on the water now. The sun is setting, it's pretty late. Shout out to Marine Blu for actually accommodating us last minute and still accommodating us this late. But the sun is setting right now, and you're going to actually get a really nice view, you know, because you're gonna get the lights and stuff. You can use my thing. Use this. Yes. They gave guys there. They had phone cases, waterproof phone cases on board. Yeah, like just put it around your neck, and when he's going really fast, you just stuff it like within the jacket. But just let him know when you're taking out the phone. You know. But you'll be good, cause I mean, I don't think it will sink. I don't think it's gonna sink.
Ask her if it floats.
Eh?
Ask her if it floats.
I don't know. I can't ask her. But I think I'm gonna have to get my light because it's getting dark. Just make sure. Hold on, let me help you lock it, or I can ask her to help you lock it. Cause she locked it for me. But as you guys would have seen, I would have showed you guys some footage from the tour. We went over by the mangroves, which is kind of like over there, all the way over that side, which was really cool. We didn't see any crocodiles or anything, which I was kind of kind of wanted to see, but we didn't. But that's okay. So yeah, we're just waiting on Ramon to go next. I don't think I feel like I'm filled, like I don't actually need to go back out on the water, like I'm fine. Just chilling. Until you go, what happened? The mosquitoes are out though.
You just leave your video then. You were talking in your videos, right? So that was a good experience that night. We got the boat, walked there till about 3 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, no, as in like it's in the cabin. How was it?
Good.
What?
Good.
Good? I'm almost killing off though. I'm joking.
Yeah, you're going back on now.
Hell no, not in the dark.
You can see.
Yeah, when my eyes are just like it. You did that tutorial thing? Or no?
What tutorial?
I don't know. To learn how to do it.
Well, it's in the dark right now and you can see still.
Yeah, I know, I can promise you.
Born ready.
Is the light good?
Oh.
Okay. So hi guys, I just wanted to film like an outro for my video, right? Because I went on the ski trip yesterday and I didn't, because we left there at night, I never really get to film a proper outro. But I just wanted to tell you guys that the experience was really good and I want to thank
Come, experience really good, come.
Okay. Ready?
You ready?
Yes, I just want to tell you guys that the experience was really good and I really enjoyed it. Shout out to Gustazos Jamaica because they were the ones that kind of hooked me up with one of the experiences that they were offering at the time. Unfortunately, the experience is no longer available on their website, but you know, Gustazos always has good deals, so you guys can go over there and check them out. And you know, they are my go-to. They really genuinely are my go-to for, you know, hotel deals. I'm always looking for a good hotel deal or anything like that. But you guys can check them out. I'll leave a link in the description box where you guys can find a link to the JAMAICAN webpage. And also shout out to Marine Blu Tours for accommodating me last minute and just treating me so good. Shout out to Yoli and Trey. I really enjoyed the experience, guys. And I mean, if you want to also do the experience, they have it through Marine Blu Tours. You can reach out to them directly because unfortunately it's no longer available on Gustazos, as I said, but reach out to them, you know, hit them up. They have other charters as well, so hit them up. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's a little choppy because I couldn't bring my phone, I couldn't bring, like, you know, my mics and stuff out on the water, but I hope you guys enjoyed it nonetheless and kind of got an idea of what the experience was like. So yeah, like, share, comment, you know, all the good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog.